17 stupid car mistakes that will cost you thousands. In this video, I'm breaking down 17 things people do to their cars that are just asking for trouble. One of them is so common you might not even realize it's slowly destroying your car. It's what I'd call the silent killer of car performance. If you're serious about avoiding expensive repairs and humiliating breakdowns, stay with me until the end. These are the critical mistakes every car owner needs to steer clear of. Mistake number 17. Frequent engine cycling. 1. Turning the engine on and off repeatedly can cause wear. 2. Unless you're idling for long periods, the wear is minimal, but frequently stopping and starting still adds up. 3. Don't hold the clutch for too long. Shift to neutral and use the handbrake. 4. Modern cars that shut off automatically at stoplights are designed for this, but forcing it manually can cause issues. 5. Restarting the engine too often uses extra fuel and can stress parts unnecessarily. Mistake number 16. Shutting down the engine immediately after a hard drive. 1. After a hard drive, the engine becomes extremely hot. 2. Turning it off too soon traps the heat inside, hot soap, which can damage engine parts. 3. Turbocharged engines are at higher risk because oil circulation stops before the turbo slows down. 4. Let the engine idle for a minute to cool properly, especially after hard driving. Mistake number 15. Disconnecting the battery cable to test an alternator. 1. This old test can destroy modern cars' sensitive electronics. 2. Disconnecting the battery while the engine runs causes dangerous voltage spikes. 3. Use a voltmeter instead or get a free charging system test at an auto parts store. Mistake number 14. Leaving old gasoline to overstay. 1. Modern gasoline contains ethanol, which separates over time, causing firing issues. 2. Always fill the tank before storing the car for months. 3. After storage, run the tank to half and refill with fresh gas to avoid engine problems. Mistake number 13. Harsh acceleration. 1. Rapid acceleration puts excessive strain on the engine, clutch, gears, and bearings. 2. Engines can spin from 900 RPM to over 10,000 RPM, adding immense pressure. 3. Smooth, gradual acceleration extends engine life and saves money on repairs. Mistake number 12. Revving a cold engine. 1. Cold oil is thicker and doesn't lubricate well, causing internal engine damage. 2. Let the engine idle for at least a minute, or 5 minutes in cold weather, before revving. 3. Don't rely solely on the coolant gauge, oil heats up more slowly. Mistake number 11. Running on deflated tires. 1. Driving on flat tires damages the rim and increases fuel consumption. 2. Flat tires strain the suspension and brake systems, leading to expensive repairs. 3. Check tire pressure monthly and inspect for cuts, bulges, or punctures. Mistake number 10. Using water as a coolant. 1. Water boils and freezes at unsafe temperatures for engines. 2. Steam pockets from boiling water can warp engine parts. 3. Water causes rust and corrosion. Always use proper coolant or distilled water if necessary. Mistake number 9. Using aggressive compounds on the body paint. 1. Modern car paint is thin. Aggressive polishing can weaken the finish. 2. Always start with the least abrasive products and tools. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals like dish soap, which strip protective layers. Mistake number 8. Using loose floor mats and liners. 1. Loose mats can get caught under pedals, increasing the risk of accidents. 2. Always secure mats with anchors or clips and use custom-fit mats for your car. Mistake number 7. Parking under trees or in leaking basements. 1. Tree sap, nuts, berries, and bird droppings can stain and damage paint. 2. Water leaks from ceilings can leave mineral stains on the finish. 3. Always check parking spots for potential hazards. Mistake number 6. Hanging air fresheners. 1. Cheap air fresheners contain chemicals that can fade or crack the dashboard. Mistake number 5. Salt exposure in winter. 1. Road salt corrodes undercarriages, brake lines, and fuel lines, causing rust and expensive damage. 2. Before winter, wax your car, treat the undercarriage, and repair any paint chips. Mistake number 4. Unnecessary performance modifications. 1. Noisy exhausts don't improve performance and only add noise. 2. Oversized rims and tires reduce ride quality and fuel efficiency. 3. Improper modifications can void warranties and reduce the car's value. Mistake number 3. Driving when the oil light is on. 1. The oil light means the oil level is low or the pump has failed, both critical issues. 2. Turn off the car immediately and check oil levels. 3. Ignoring this warning can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the check engine light. 1. A steady check engine light signals sensor issues. A flashing light signals severe engine problems. 2. A loose gas cap can sometimes trigger the light. Mistake number 1. Skipping regular maintenance. 1. Missing oil changes can cause engine damage and lower fuel economy. 2. Ignoring worn tires, brakes, or wipers makes driving unsafe. 3. Poor maintenance lowers resale value and shortens the car's lifespan. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. Avoiding these mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration. Leave a comment about what you thought of this video. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. See you there.